Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you're new here. Today we are going to explore Odessa. We are today like Dora the Explorer, like look Dora and you understand who he is. Yeah, and now we're at the Park Shevchenko. This is our first stop, Park Shevchenko. Look, let's get started. Помаши ручкой. This is Park Shevchenko, so it's green. There's a lot of happy people, and there's a lot of cafes, like you can see, like, or you can. 1 second. I will show you, don't worry. You can find here more stuff if you want. But now it's 10 o'clock and you can see this cafe is so good. Here's the cafe, Trattoria. Okay, I don't know. Do you love coffee here? Because when we have our like filming days and everything, like this stuff, so we're always having coffee from there, and it's so delicious, really.
No Turkish coffee.
But there's not Turkish coffee, yeah. Here is the fan shop of the Sisters. Sisters is our national, not national, this is Odessa's women team of football. So we're trying to go to the fan shop if it's open, and we will show you the match in this shop. Look, this is the door. Покажи им.
The door. Look at the window, look at the floor, look at the ceiling, look at the door.
And look at this handsome man. No, God, no, please. No. It's not open today, but anyways, we will show it to you, I think.
Я був на його відкритті, але, на жаль, зараз із-за війни майже не проводять матчі. Тільки нещодавно їх почали знову проводити. Дуже мало людей пускають. А колись він вміщав, і зараз він вміщає 35 тисяч людей.
He said that when the war wasn't here, like when the war...
3-5-0-0-0-0
3500.
Слави, слави гравців у Чорноморець.
I always came here with my grandmother when I was little, so I had a photo here, right here, and I come here, chop.
Smile.
Don't laugh at me. Don't. Look at this dance. It's so good. It's like. It's look like. It's look like. Look. What do you think about Odessa?
I think it's the best city of the world.
I agree with that. Really popular Ukrainian poet Shevchenko, right here. Park Shevchenko, you can see photographs of the dead soldiers of Ukraine. They are our heroes of Ukraine, and they were all from Odessa, and this is just bad, really.